Now I'm heading to Osaka as my new base. It's supposed to be with a more intense nightlife again. So let's check it out. Melon bread with matcha ice cream. It's fucking sweet, but it's like good. I love it. Yeah, it's also nice, Osaka. It's different to Tokyo and Kyoto, but I cannot really say what's the difference now. But it has good vibe. Today I will meet with a girl from couchsurfing and we will go to Nara. And Nara was one of the first capitals of Japan, and like it has, I think it's the biggest Buddha statue out of wood in the world, and like also it's famous for its deers. Yeah, so I'm excited what will come, and let's see. So Nara is actually famous for its deers, and there's a big deer park. You can cuddle them and give them food and play with them, because they're like meant to be holy and like give messages from Buddha. Really incredible, the building. So here on the street you find a lot of vending machines, and like those are the special machines for adults. And I got one. Like a man gave it to me with his wife, with a smile, and like it's like underwear. I don't know if it's like used underwear, but it's supposed to be sexy. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like kind of used. Who knows? So now we are in a neighborhood called Shinsekai, and it's like one of the two famous nightlife entertainment districts in Osaka. And like it was built like in the 20s, like they wanted to make it like Paris and London, and like, but afterwards it got like very poor. So like Lonely Planet says like it's the closest place in Japan to dangerous. It has a very, very, very interesting kind of vibe, definitely. So we just order on this tablet over there, and then directly to our table. It's really amazing how it works. Just €1. So you have to put in there. And then like So I never saw anything like this before, like a wall house full of arcade machines, 6 floors. It was like a sensory overload. I cannot understand how anybody can be there for more than 5 minutes. And I saw like people who like seem to be like there for hours. Oh my god, so extreme. So this is a famous advertisement. Can you tell me why it's famous?
I just read like the Wikipedia page, and it says that it's a super old advertisement, so like 30 years or something. I don't know.
And it has like
That's
this,
all I
like
know.
the same like 30 years, right?
Yeah, it's been in the same spot for like 30 years.
Wow, so famous.
Can you hear the camera?
So fruits are actually quite expensive in Japan, but it's like perfect and very big. So I paid like €2 for this kaki, but it looks like very nice and beautiful. And yeah, it's like interesting to see how they treat like fruits and how they like, it's different than Europe where you can just get cheap ones which are maybe ugly. Here it's just perfect. So today I wanted to try like instant noodles. Like instant noodles are very popular in Japan. Like in Osaka there is even like a museum about instant noodles. So I just bought like one in 7-Eleven and now I try it. Oh, it tastes really good. Yeah, today I want to talk a little about like the culture I just discovered, because I was wandering around the streets and then seeing like sex department store with like 6 floors. So I wanted to check it out just like to see what's there, and I was really shocked in the end. Like Japanese people seem to like young girls and really young, and like on the 5th floor I saw some dolls. Like you can buy like a sex doll for just 400 or like 4,000. No, it was really expensive, like €4,000. And like it shocked me, like I saw like there was a doll, like yeah, it looked like an anime character, like a young girl. And like on another floor you could buy like school uniforms and like dressing up, and like yeah, it really shocked me to see it. And like I looked into other stores next to this store, and like to see that like you could buy just photographs of girls for like €10, like ordinary photographs, and like people would buy it, like there is a market for it. And yeah, it's unbelievable. And like yesterday I showed like the vending machine with the underwear, but like today I saw like really used underwear. Yeah, like you could even see like a picture from the girl who has worn it, and it was like so crazy. And like I heard about it in Germany, that there's like a website where you can buy such things, but that you can buy like this in a department store. Yeah, I guess there's like a huge market for it, and yeah, it's interesting to see like those subcultures of Japan. It's like another kind of traveling, you know, another kind of experiencing the culture. Yeah, today I'm making a day trip to Himeji, and it's like the biggest castle in Japan. And the thing about this is that it's not renovated, it's like original from like the 15th century around. And yeah, I'm really excited to see it. And afterwards I will check out like some monasteries on the mountain where like the movie The Last Samurai has been filmed. So I'm very excited to see that as well. And yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, it was a very interesting experience to go into the castle. It's very different to European castles, and yeah, there were not so detailed information, but I could get some points. And now I'm in the palace garden, which again is very peaceful and beautiful, which gives me some moments of relaxation. Yeah, those are the last few hours in the crazy, sparkling Osaka, and yeah, yesterday I hung out like with a Japanese girl, and like the day before I hang out with a Japanese boy, and like they grounded me, like they showed me like there are not only like the crazy things and not only crazy people in Japan, but like just also ordinary people. Like the girl I met yesterday, she was really on the ground, like a Europe girl, almost. And yeah, I'm lucky I have those experiences as well. So I leave Japan not thinking like everyone is like just super crazy and has like fetish or something. It's so delicious.